What is copywriting? Copywriting is any words in any medium that are designed to sell something. That includes print, online, mobile, and broadcast. Any message designed to sell something or market something features copywriting. Promotional messages include newspaper ads, magazine ads, brochures, fact sheets, flyers, catalogs, online banner ads, online text ads, sales letters, promotional postcards, television commercials, radio commercials, billboards, advertisements, bus shelter advertising, product packaging, point of purchase displays, mobile advertising, Facebook and Twitter ads, YouTube commercials, promotional messages on the sides of commercial vehicles, slogans, product names, company names, radio and television jingles, product video scripts, company promo video scripts. I think you get the idea. Someone once defined copywriting as salesmanship in print. There are two things wrong with this definition, of course. Salespeople aren't just men, women also sell, and copywriting is no longer limited to print. Copywriting is seen offline and online. But the essence of this definition is correct. Copywriting is selling with words. A copywriter is a salesperson behind a keyboard. Copywriting can feature the written word and the spoken word. Promotional messages in a newspaper or an online ad are there to be read, whereas promotional messages in a radio commercial or a television commercial are there to be heard. But those promotional messages, whether read or heard, are copywriting in action. Writers who write promotional messages are called copywriters. The profession they are in is called copywriting. One writer may say, I want to get into technical writing. Another writer may say, I want to get into script writing. And yet another writer might say, I want to get into copywriting. Some colleges offer courses in copywriting, not that many. And some colleges include a class on copywriting or a course on copywriting as part of a diploma program in marketing. Most copywriters learn the craft on the job, either as freelance copywriters or working as copywriters in-house at an advertising agency or marketing firm. I learned the craft firsthand as a senior copywriter at an ad agency, and then I improved my skills as a freelance copywriter over time, doing work independently, self-employed. If you apply yourself, you can learn the craft of copywriting as well.